I'll show you how to make krystin play. If you can't find it, you can search it. Let's see. What's colors for eye? Green, okay. Here's the price, $49.86. You put normal eyes on 1, 3 for this hair, and $49 for that hair. One this pant, and you put one over here. White, 2 whites here of the pant. Then you find this shoe, and put black right here and white. Okay, there you go. Okay, sorry, I was sneezing. I have nothing to be aware of. Yeah, that is my daddy. 13 for the shoe. And put her name, Krystin Play. Krystin. What?
What's she doing on there?
I don't know. Okay.
Pan Coco, Loco.